Welcome to the
D
and Q Experience. And today, literally the day is almost over. But today, guys, we're gonna start experiencing independence of the seas
for the first time.
Guys, it's almost nighttime.
Family trip.
Like just 2 hours and then
Good evening, everyone. Ricky, your cruise director here. Hope you're all enjoying your stay on board Independence of the Seas.
Many hours later.
At Coco Cay on Sunday. I wish you all an amazing evening on board.
As I was saying, we are on board Independence of the Seas, and as Carter just told y'all, it's nighttime. So literally the day is almost over for our first day, but we are on board with all of our family. So if you guys want to experience independence of the seas with us, keep on watching. What is that?
We've enhanced the process to make it quicker and easier than ever. All you need to do is to make sure you...
What?
That's
gold
a
card, Carson? Why is it gold?
Why is it gold? All right, come. Open the door.
Open the door.
Push the card in.
Got it. There you go.
I dropped the paper. Is this our own kitchen? But there's apples and grapes. It's amazing. Is this literally our own kitchen? We have the best room in the ship.
What's in there, Carson? What's in there?
And where's our beds? Oh. I said, watch you step. I didn't know that was there. Wow, that tub is tall. Stop.
First of all, why your kids got manners? Look at the shoes. Why they got manners? You like your room? Or you want the other room?
No.
Honey, I just said yes to your question. I didn't really hear your question.
The kids up here? He don't know. just say yes to your question, but I don't know what you asked. And then he said, I'm tipsy. We know who's not watching the kids tonight.
Look who's watching it right now.
I'm home. Oh, how I missed you. Sorrentos, I missed you so much. You got money? Huh? No. Would y'all believe that I lost this? I lost this. I left it at Sorrento's. That dang pizza was so good. I forgot all about it. And then I went back to Sorrento's. I'm like, did I leave something? And then the lady was like, yeah, I took it and lost and found. Oh. So guest service actually had it. We have made our way to the Sweet Lounge.
Deck 14. Aft.
Oh, sorry, I was trying to get Carson. He moved. I look rough like I've been outside all day. Moving my shades on. We are just chilling in here, waiting on our drinks. Well, I got my coffee.
And other hors d'oeuvres.
And other hors d'oeuvres. We fancy.
There's shades inside. She looking like she rich.
That's bitter.
You need the rum cream in there. The rum cream will make it better. Look at that.
I had to make my own coffee. Y'all know I can't make no coffee by myself. I don't care if I try to push one button. It don't work.
I gotta make it. I guess I'm here for something. To make coffee. And
buy it.
And egg.
When we get a fridge in our house, we can make egg again.
And jerk pork.
You haven't made it forever.
Now I have a better fire to make it with now.
Yeah. How you guys feeling?
Good.
You ready to
Had
go?
this face on the whole time.
You ready to go back to Carnival?
No!
Why need to stop that?
We have to visit here every day just because.
4 to 8.
So, like I said, we are in the Sweet Lounge. If you want to see our suite, make sure to go ahead and click on this card right here. Or check the description box below to see our room tour.
It'll be there.
It'll be there eventually. We have arrived to dinner. We're late. First night, we're late. Half half the family's missing. And, okay, the other half. I don't know, 8:40 they showing up. But I'll show you guys what I get for dinner.
Yeehaw.